The iPhone XR is not selling well. The iPhone XR is depressing. Ha, no one's buying iPhone. iPhone XR not selling as well as we thought. iPhone XR is a total flop.
Would you look at that hot new piece of technology on the table right there? That's the latest iPhone, right? That's the iPhone XR.
The iPhone XR is a sick freaking joke.
It's kind of funny how people said it's gonna outsell both the iPhone XS and XS Max. I told it in the past that this device is a mistake, just like the iPhone 5C.
So folks, the iPhone XR, what a load of absolutely flopping. We knew it would. Most of us knew it would.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to iTouch App Reviewers. In this video, we're going to talk about the iPhone XR and why almost all of these YouTubers were just clickbaiting you guys to get money off you. If we just take a quick look at YouTube, you can see a lot of people were saying
the iPhone XR sales were terrible.
And I kept telling you, even Front Page Tech was telling you guys, it's not going to be that bad. And in fact, the iPhone XR was going to outsell the others. Now this person got it right on one of our videos. Gonna do amazing in sales. Yes, you are correct. This guy right here, he thinks he's a genius.
LOL, iPhone XR is a total flop, you analyst.
Oh man, he really showed me, didn't he?
I think your predictions are wrong now. Ha 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 ha. This video did not age well. Looks like you were wrong. No one wants that junk. iPhone sucks.
Okay, these are all people commenting on my video when I said iPhone XR sales are about to be crazy. I posted this on October 15th. You guys can go check the date, watch the video for yourself. Well, now we've got official word from Apple themselves that Apple's new iPhone XR has been the most popular and best-selling iPhone since the October launch. Now, unfortunately, I have to go to CNET's website, which is very slow and really crappy, but you can see here, Vice President Greg Joswiak talks up the iPhone XR as concerns swirl around demand for Apple's newest smartphones. And this was literally his quote. It has been our most popular iPhone each and every day since the day it became available. That means that since the iPhone XR came out, it has been beating sales numbers of every other iPhone on that same day. So every single day, it has been the top selling iPhone. Now they didn't give any actual numbers, but they stopped doing that. And after this was announced, I mean, Apple's stock did come back a little bit because it has been dropping for quite a while. It is not all doom and gloom like everyone's saying. The iPhone XR is a slow burn, like I said. You guys can go watch the other videos. I said the exact same thing. The iPhone XR, the people that want that phone are going to get it on their own terms when their time is right, when they need a new iPhone, when their upgrade is ready. They were not just going to go out, and buy this, on the first day. So hopefully that clears things up for you guys. I don't get paid by Apple to say this stuff. I just tell you guys the truth. So this is what it is. If you're gonna leave an ignorant comment on my videos, you're probably gonna get called out for it. So just be careful about that. And to those of you that missed yesterday's vlog, go check it out. I actually checked out the iPhone XR and I've got some thoughts on it. Honestly, it's a bigger phone than the XS. Doesn't feel quite as premium, but overall, it does not look bad. I think for the average person, it is amazing. It was not too heavy. I think the size was about right for most people. Personally, I like the XS size a little better because it's slightly smaller and fits in the hand a little better. But overall, the XR is it looked really good in person. I didn't even notice the display was worse than my XS just from picking it up and using it. But go check out my vlog from yesterday. It's my first ever vlog and I actually really enjoyed it. So I'll probably be doing more of those. Stay tuned. Got tons more videos coming for you guys, Brawl Stars videos, everything across the board. Pick and choose which videos you want to watch, or just watch all of them. That's all I got for this video, guys. If you liked it, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.